Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to open up the new Boxycharm for you guys this month. I really liked it. Last month was bomb. It was kick-ass. That last palette was like, I was blown away. I really liked it. That was like palette of the summer. It was awesome. If you guys didn't get it, you gotta check it out. It's really cool. It's by Alamar. I think that's how you say it. Not sure, but it's just like bright and summery and I'm into that. But so for this month, we have some really cool stuff and I'm gonna get into it. The first one that I want to show you guys is by Wander Beauty. I love Wander Beauty. They are one of the first brands that have ever reached out to me. So I love to see that they're growing so much. So here is their mascara and I have that on right now. I'm loving the wand of it because it has like a little curl to it. It makes it really, really easy to really curl your lashes. So I feel like with this, you wouldn't need like an eyelash curler, like a whoop whoop thing that you do, like, you know, little middle ones. Does that make sense? Okay, so then next up we have the Cella Beauty. This is their eyebrow cream. And okay, so I put this on my Instagram if you guys follow me. And I was like, let me try it out, see what I think. So I put it on and you guys know I have zero eyebrows. They like look like baby sperms. I've said this a million times, so I didn't think this was gonna work out for me. And I was super shocked. I actually have it on right now. Let me zoom in and show you. I have it on right now, no powder. What? It looks so good. I'm obsessed with it. I'm super surprised. So what you do is you take this little part out and then this part unscrews and then you have the cream right here and this just kind of dips in. And like I said, it doesn't have a spoolie, so I was like, I don't know if this is gonna work out. And it'll probably work better for people that actually have brows, but oh my gosh, it actually worked for me. So I was like, yes. So if you actually have more brows than me, you'll probably love it even more. So then next up we have the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. I never used Dr. Brandt before ever, so I wanted to try it. I see everyone loves him and like he's got great reviews. I put it on my skin. I didn't see less bags on my eyes, but I do also have a lot of concealer on. But I didn't see any less bags underneath my eyes, but it did give me a super tightening effect. So I feel like there's less wrinkles underneath here. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if it's gonna work all day, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll definitely keep them updated. Then next up we have this Note Blush, and this is in Desert Rose. And it definitely reminds me of the Bellini by Ofra blush. It's very pretty. If you're not a blush person, I'm sorry, but I really like blush. It definitely, the pigment, crazy. I put way too much on because I figured like a lot of blushes, the pigment payoff isn't really amazing. I dipped it in and I was like, damn, I gotta calm my face down. So if I'm looking a little like really rosy, that's because of that stuff. Go easy. And then next up we have the Crown Pro palette. I gotta tell you guys, the colors definitely look much better in person than they do on camera or in a picture. In a picture I was like, I don't know how I feel about this. It looks like kind of like any other palette, but it definitely reminds me of a Morphe palette. When you look at it, it has like your burnt oranges, your burnt redsies. It's got like your mauves. So yeah, it's a good palette. It has a mirror with it, so you can't complain. I do have to say it's like kind of like cheap and flimsy though, so you do got to be careful with it. When I got mine, some of it had cracked and stuff, so that's the only downfall I have to that, but it is a really pretty neutral palette. I think this will be much better though. It's not kind of like summery for me personally. This is like more of falls except for like 2 colors. So that is all that is in the Boxycharm this month. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys get Boxycharm, what you guys think of these products, and I'll see you soon.